Hello there! In this video, we're going to create a simple Python script to send an email. In fact, we're going to create a SMTP server, send an email to another email address. Let's go to the computer and see how the code works. All right, let's jump to work. First thing first, the code is related to what? The code is for Gmail. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna come here, click on your photo, then manage your account. On manage your account, you come to the security section, scroll down, and here, let's secure app. I mean, it has liability, so it's on you if you want to do that. But to make it work for this video, you should use less secure app. Then you let Python or anything else to use your email to send an email. This is the first step. Second, so I'm gonna send email from one of my emails to the other one, but I don't want to show you like I mean in public in my YouTube account what are the email addresses and what are my credentials. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do this. Let me, before jumping to anything and everything, try this guy. We need to make a environment variable. Let's go out. I'm gonna do vim dot env like that. Let's make name. I'm gonna say, for example, my name, and then phone. The thing here is that the standard way, it's not like it's not a must, but the standard way that you find it, it's with capital. So we stick with capital. And sorry, there is no need to add quotation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. It's my phone number, and that's it. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna go out, and so if I do ls, I did save it as far as I know. If I do, I'm not sure. Yeah, must be showing ls dash lih. Yeah, perfect. We have that. Okay, go ahead. Let's go ahead. Python 3. I'm gonna do import OS. Then I'm gonna do import my next. Let's do from that environment. Let's import load that environment like that. I'm gonna do load dot env. This is the function that we are bringing, so it's true, and that's it. You do get os get env. What was that name? Just take care of the proper syntax. So you see that here. Perfect. We have both of them here. It is working. If it's the first time that you're using these libraries, you're gonna do what? OS, it's built in, you have that, but this one you don't. So you're gonna do, if you're a Mac user, pip3, if Windows pip install Python dot env. So by doing that, it's already satisfied. So I already have that, but yeah, apart from that, what you're gonna do here, you're gonna add your credentials, and it's better to have a secure way of sending your data. So I'm gonna pause the video, copy and paste mine here, then I come back. In the meanwhile, go get yourself a cup of coffee while I'm copying everything. Alrighty, let's start. We're gonna start with importing our library. So I'm gonna do simple mail transport protocol library, simple messaging or simple mail. I'm not sure the abbreviation. So from email dot mime, I like that when it tells me what I want. I'm gonna do import mime text. We'll see why we are going to use that. Just the one that we said from dot env. We're gonna import load load.env. You already know this one, I showed you, and then finally import os. That's it. If I want to load the initials, like the constant variables from my environment, I do this. Then so when you want to send an email, what do you have? You have the sender, receiver, subject, body, and those stuff. Let's make them. from gets env, and then here I have my email. This is the name that I used there in that environment. Then from it's the sender. Receiver is os.get env. The reason that it doesn't do the autocomplete and it's like that because I use my PyCharm also for microcontrollers, as you can see the MicroPython logo here. So for that reason, I guess these things they don't exist in MicroPython, so it's a little like new for my PyCharm interpreter, but whatever. Okay, let's go ahead. What I called my receiver, I called destination email. So I just need to make sure I'm using the proper spelling. Destination email, my email. Then I have password, which is os.getEnv, and there I call that password. This is my password. Then let's add a subject. My subject is hello there, like that. Then I need to have a body, my text. Have what's up, or how is it going, or something like that. Let's don't be picky. After that, we're gonna create the email. We need to create our object. So the message is an object, and how we're gonna make our message via that thing that we imported. So with MIME text, and simply the position argument is body that we just made it. What's up? Then MSG. So we're gonna send that. What do we want to know? From, and from is what we have in FRM. Then what else? MSG 2, which is my receiver, from 2. Then subject, MSG. The subject, just look at these. The first part is capital. Subject, and then you do subject. That's it. And here is it is. We have body. I put body here. We have from receiver. We have subject. The only thing we haven't passed yet is the password, and we are going to use it for logging. If I want to do logging, actually, I'm going to make a SMTP server. So we need to create the server. Server is my SMTP library. Then I'm gonna do SMTP, smtp.gmail.com. It's like when you bind the socket, you come up with IP or hostname and then the port. I'm gonna use port 578. And after that, server that start TLS. If you use a start TLS, you need to use this port. You cannot go with like 467 or the other ports. Then I'm gonna do server, then login. What I want, who is sending the message, and what is the password? So simple, super duper. Server, so send email. Let's just finish this video. From to, and the message, which is going to be a string, where we're going to send the text. And finally, quit. And that's it. So I'm going to save this guy. I'm going to come here. I'm going to do Python read send mail. Okay, it does the authentication behind the scene and everything is working. I come here, it's the address. I'm waiting for the email to receive. I'm gonna refresh this guy, and there you go. We just have that. Hello there, what's up, and just arrived. Perfect, it worked, and I'm glad it worked. So I'm gonna put this code on my GitHub account. You can use it. And till next short and simple tutorial, take care, guys. Bye.